So nothing's at it again, teasing us like they always do. And now we finally know when the Phone 3 is coming. Not the exact date yet, of course, because in true nothing fashion, they love to drag it out. But we do know it's dropping in July 2025. Yup, that's officially the first month of Q3, just like Carl Pei hinted last month. Now, they didn't say the exact day, but let's be real. They're probably gonna drop that info a few weeks before launch with some super dramatic teaser. Wouldn't be nothing without it. Oh, and there's talk that their over-the-ear headphones might launch around the same time too, so July could be a pretty stacked month for them. As for the Phone 3 itself, they've been super secretive, even going as far as showing it on camera blurred out, like some kind of tech mystery thriller. But based on what's been floating around, here's what we might be getting. You know that see-through vibe nothing's known for? Yeah, that's sticking around, but expect it to look sharper, cleaner, and just cooler overall. Under the hood, the Phone 3 is expected to be powered by one of Qualcomm's heavy hitters, either the Snapdragon 8 Elite or the more recently announced Snapdragon 8S Gen 4. Either way, it's going to be fast. Now let's talk display. Rumors point to a 6.77-inch LTPO AMOLED panel with a 1.5K resolution, adaptive 120Hz refresh rate, and peak brightness hitting a wild 3000 nits. Battery-wise, it will possibly exceed 5,000 milliamp hour, which should easily get you through a full day depending on how aggressive nothing gets with optimization. And the cameras, oh boy. If leaks are to be believed, we're talking triple 50 megapixel setup, a main, an ultra wide, and a 3x periscope telephoto. That's some serious hardware for mobile photography. Selfie fans might get a 32 megapixels or even a 50 megapixels front cam, supposedly from Sony, so no one's being left out here. The Phone 3 is confirmed to launch in Europe and the US, and it's basically a lock for India too. But here's the catch, it won't be cheap. Carl Pei has already said it's going to cost around $1,000 or 800 pounds, and in India it could start near 50,000 rupees. So yeah, flagship pricing all the way. Anyway, July's not that far off. We'll probably get a slow drip of info between now and then because nothing loves a good tease, but hey, at least we've got a month to circle on the calendar now. Well, that's all for this video. Catch you in the next one. Peace.